Good morning, learners. How are you all? I hope you are all good. So, today we will study CH and SH sound word. Okay, so CH gives a cha sound. Okay, CH gives a cha sound and SH gives a sha sound. So, let's start the study. Words with the cha sound. Cha, a, sa, chess. What sound ch gives us? Cha. Cha, a, sa, chess. We will read double s together. Don't read separately. Okay, read together. And next is cha, e, ka, chick. Cha, e, ka, chick. Va, a, cha, watch. T will be silent in this word. T will be silent. There is no sound of T. Va, a, cha, watch. Ba, a, na, cha, bench. Ba, a, na, cha, bench. Next word is cha, a, r, chair. Cha, o, ka, o, la, a, ta, a, chocolate. I am repeating this word again. Okay, I am repeating. Cha, o, ka, o, la, a, ta, a, chocolate. Cha, e, ka, chick. Cha, e, ka, chick. Ta, o, ra, cha, torch. Ta, o, ra, cha, torch. CH gives us cha sound. So you have to read these all words. These are 8 words. You have to read at your home. Do practice of the reading. Next is word with sh sound. Sh gives us sha sound. Sha. If we write sh together, it makes sha. Okay. Fa, e, sha, fish. Sha, o, a, z, shoes. Sha, e, pa, sheep. Sha, e, pa, sheep. Sha, e, pa, ship. There is a difference in these words. There are some differences, like there is double e and there is I. So this is ship. Ship means jahaz. This is sheep. Sheep means bhed. So both spellings are different. Next is b, ra, a, sha, brush. Sha, a, ra, t, shirt. Sh makes sha sound. Sha. Sh gives us sha sound. Okay. Sha, a, da, shade. Sha, a, la. We will read double L together. Don't read L separately. Okay. It gives la sound. Sha, a, la, shell. Okay. You have to practice of reading all these words. And this is ch sound. This is sh sound. Write down the date above the paper. Today is 26 7 July and 24 year, and the day is Friday. So do practice of reading at your home. I will meet you tomorrow with the next video, with my next video. Bye. I will meet you tomorrow with my next video. Till then, bye bye.